Sem Malta u tal-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat tul ix-xhur li għaddew fit-tmiem tal-Kunsill tal-Unjoni Ewropea kien rikonoxxut b'kummenti tal-Presidenti Juncker u Tusk fit-tmiem l-aħħar summit tal-mexxejja tul din il-Presidenza. Il-President tal-Kunsill Ewropew Donald Tusk qal li din kienet waħda mill-isbaħ esperjenzi fil-karriera professjonali tiegħu. Lil Muscat qallu li t-tifħir li qed jagħtuh jixraqlu.
Joseph, I truly appreciate your hard work. It's not a typical slogan. I mean, traditionally we should say something like that, but believe me, it was for me one of the best in my professional life, one of the best experiences. Thank you for your help with preparing the Brexit negotiations and for moving things forward in the internal security agenda, migration, as well as for overseeing the final end of roaming charges. Seriously, Joseph, you deserve all the praise that you are rightly getting.
Tal-istess fema kien il-President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea Jean-Claude Juncker li ddeskriva l-Presidenza taħt it-tmexxija tal-Prim Ministru Muscat bħala impressjonanti.
It was impressive. And what you did, what your former foreign minister did, what other ministers did, was excellent. And so I'm very grateful for all the things we have moved, including the one we have not yet reached the final goal. That means migration. There too, you were more than well performing. So thank you, Joseph. It was a great job, a big job, like the other would say.
U l-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat wera sodisfazzjon għal mod kif ħidmet il-Presidenza Maltija fil-qasam tal-konsumatur bit-tneħħija tat-tariffi tar-roaming u fil-qasam tal-migrazzjoni b'mod partikolari r-rotta taċ-ċentru tal-Mediterran intlaqgħu. Jean-Claude Juncker qal li dan is-summit ġab aħbarijiet sbieħ minn kull rokna tal-Ewropa, kif b'kollox 232 miljun ċittadin qed jaħdem bħalissa u r-rata ta' qatt Ewropea qed tkompli tonqos. Iżda l-kriżi tal-migrazzjoni qed tkompli tħasseb lil mexxejja, speċjalment bil-fatt li hemm diversi stati membri li ma kontribwixxewx għal fond stabbilit fil-Valletta Summit fl-2015 għall-immaniġġjar tal-migrazzjoni, għall-iżvilupp ekonomiku u għall-istabbilità fil-pajjiżi Afrikani. Kemm Juncker u kemm il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat appellaw lil mexxejja sabiex dak miftiem fil-Valletta Summit dwar dan il-fond jibqa' jiġi irrispettat.
Not all member states are living up to expectations and living up to the pledges. Nevertheless, there has been progress. There has been progress that we have managed to achieve together, and I will give you a number of details which are rarely mentioned. So following the Malta Declaration, we have so far, as the European Union, trained 135 Libyan Coast Guards under Operation Sophia, and we are awaiting the names of another 291 officers which will be trained in Italy and Spain. 4 vessels which were previously held by Italy have now been handed over to the Libyan authorities, and another one is expected to be dispatched by the middle of next month. While we're having a splendid collaboration on the ground with the IOM and the UNHCR, they have so far managed to improve conditions in 4 detention centers that have been visited and are now under their watchful eye.
Brexit ukoll kien protagonist f'dawn il-jumejn wara li Theresa May, il-Prim Ministru Ingliż, resqet il-proposti ta' pajjiża dwar dan. Donald Tusk qal li l-mexxejja qablu li d-drittijiet ta' ċittadini Ewropej li jgħixu l-Ingilterra u ta' dawk Ingliżi li jgħixu fl-Ewropa se jibqgħu priorità tul u wara n-negozjati. Il-Ministri Ewropej mistennija jieħdu deċiżjoni finali f'Novembru li ġej dwar żewġ aġenziji Ewropej li għalissa huma bbażati fir-Renju Unit, l-Aġenzija tal-Mediċini u l-Aġenzija tal-Banek, biex jaraw liema pajjiż se jibda jospithom minn Marzu 2019.